Postgres is used as the primary database for all types of applications, and there are so many extensions to it that supports hundreds of use cases. When you compare Postgres design with MySQL, it is more flexible and scalable. MySQL has always been famous for fast and easy to use, but Postgres is gaining popularity among developers. It has a lot of features and it is actually giving tough competition to databases like Oracle. Today we are looking at installing Postgres on Knakl Cloud. I have this Ubuntu server which is already created in my Knakl account. I'll simply connect to this cloud server. I am using Mac, so I will simply issue SSH kadmin, that is Knakl admin, at the IP address. Hit yes, enter, and you will get inside the cloud server. The first thing once you connect to any Ubuntu cloud server is to update the packages. Simply issue sudo apt update and this will start updating all the packages. Cool. Once the packages are updated, we can go ahead and install Postgres and also Postgres contributions, which are extended packages that help you with the Postgres database. Simply give sudo apt install Postgres and Postgres contributions. These are the two main packages which are required for you to download and install Postgres. And that's it, guys. This is how simple installing Postgres is. Let's check the services. If you check the status of Postgres, it's already active and running. Let us try to connect to the Postgres database. When you install the Postgres, it will automatically create a Postgres user for you. Simply switch to that user, and if you give PSQL, you will be directly inside the Postgres prompt. And this is where you manage all the Postgres databases. To check if Postgres is running perfectly fine or not, give \L to list all the databases, and also if you give \C, this will tell you which database you are actively connected to. We can see you are now connected to database Postgres as user Postgres. And if you simply want to come out of the prompt, \Q, and you are out of the PSQL prompt. This was super easy, guys, and if you want to allow external connections from another server or any other application or any different client machine, Postgres listens on port number 5432 unless you configure a different one under the postgres.conf file. Thanks for watching. Enjoy Knakl Cloud.